Welcome back to Watch It. In this Watch It, we're going to be talking about libraries. Python has pre-built functions and methods that you can use. It also has built-in class files that we can import and use in our programs. One of the class files that we use quite often in programming is called random. So I'm going to show you how to import a class file that's already been built for you into your code. We're going to scroll to our section right here. So we're going to be using the random class file, and we have to import it. So we're going to say import random. That tells the computer to go to the files that there's a library file in our computer, and it's going to go to the library file and it's going to pull out the random class file. Then we say print random.randint. We can pull a random integer between any two numbers. So we're going to say 2 and 22. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to put import and I'm going to put random. Now remember, you can use the Python IDL if you want to, or you can just use the inline coder for this. Now I'm going to say print random.randint. I'm going to give it a defined area that I want it to pull from, so 2, so that means starting at 2 and going to 22, I want it to pull an integer. I can hit run, and here's my answer, 3. So if I hit run again, I'm going to get a different number. So as you can see, I can hit run as many times as I want, and it's going to give me a different random number. If I go in here, I'm going to change this print statement, and I'm going to put random, parentheses, close my parentheses. I'm going to run this, and now it's giving me a number between 0.0 and 1.0. Now, if I wanted to change that to a whole number, what do you think I would need to do to change that to a whole number? I'm going to let you guys ponder that and maybe play around with it. I will tell you, you have to do some calculation to get it to go to a whole number, and then maybe some rounding. So try and think about that, because later on in one of our lessons, we're going to have that be a question, and you guys are going to need to, it's going to be a discussion question, so you guys are going to need to answer that. So think about it. Now that we've looked at how to import class files, you're going to come do the check for understanding. When you're done with that, you're going to start your assignments. And if you have any questions about any of the lessons that we've done up until this point or the assignments, please send me an email.